Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can leave a group on Facebook. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the Facebook. So let's click on this. So as you can see, I have opened the Facebook. Now simply what we need to do, we have to click on this profile section. And after clicking on the profile section, we have to click on this group. So let's click on the group. So after clicking on the groups, there's an option for the your group. So let's click on the your groups which we want to leave. So for example, I'm going to select this one. So after selecting this, we have to click on this icon. So as you can see, let's click on this. And after clicking on this, what we need to do, we have to click on this three dots. And after clicking on three dots, if you want to unfollow the group, then you have to click on the unfollow group. Or if you want to leave the group, then you have to click on the leave group. Or if you want to report it, then simply you have to click on the report group. So I'm going to leave the group. So let's click on the leave group, and now let's click on this one. And now we have left the group. So as you can see, we have left the group. In this way you can leave a group on Facebook in this way. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can leave a group on Facebook. You just have to follow my these steps and you will be able to do that. So see you guys in the next video.